Should you have a customer which requires you to record specific data on a sales order, this behaviour can be forced with the store staff using settings within the customer card. So first, if we go to Master Data, Customers, find the customer in question, use our test customer. Then if we go to Navigate, History, Customer Requirements, under Requirement Type Number, if you press the down arrow, then select from Full List. In front of you have a list of options. These are pieces of information you require the store staff to complete before they can process a sale. So in this instance, we're going to select job card number, press OK. You can set a minimum or a maximum value, and you can choose if it's mandatory. So we're going to say yes, this is mandatory. If the mandatory field is ticked, this will stop them from processing the sale for that customer without entering this information first. So if we now look at this in action, so we'll return to our main screen, start a shopping basket. We know the customer. Now if we add a resource of plus MOT, now if we try and push this through to a sale, we will be blocked. So if we go Process, Next, Invoice, Cash, as you can see, you get a warning saying you must complete this data. In this warning, you can enter the data. So our job card number is 3878. Press Close. Now it will allow us to proceed. If we take another look at that list of options, you can perhaps get an idea of what they can be used for. So open the customer card, go to Navigate, go to History, go to Customer Requirements. So we ask for it to always request a job card, but we can have multiple requests in there. So if we select from our full list, we can now say we need the fleet number, or the breakdown location, or the customer order number. Like that, set it as mandatory, exit this card, and back to our main screen. If we now open a shopping basket, load in that customer, even before we process the sales order, we can see that we have requirements and there's a number 2 next to it. If you click that number 2, you get the screen to complete the results. So that's job card 1111 and order number John 55. Close. We are now then free to finish our order. And complete the sales invoice. So that is how you use the customer requirements function to ensure that store staff are entering all the required information for each job.